Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring the Best Friend Gift Box. The Primitives by Kathy 18192 Classic Hinged Wood Box with the heartfelt message, "Good friends are like stars." This charming box measures 4 inches by 4 inches and stands 2.75 inches tall, making it a perfect size for storing small treasures, trinkets, or jewelry. Crafted primarily from wood, with paper and metal accents, this box features a classic hinged lid that opens and closes smoothly, adding to its practical design. The box showcases a distressed black and white finish that gives it a vintage, rustic feel. The edges and corners are rounded and lightly sanded, contributing to its handcrafted look and comfortable handling. On the top, the box carries an inspirational sentiment that reads, "Good friends are like stars." You don't always see them, but you know they're always there, making it not only a storage item but also a meaningful gift that speaks to lasting friendship. The construction is sturdy yet lightweight, designed to hold small items safely. While it is not water-resistant, its solid build ensures durability for everyday use on a dresser, countertop, or desk. This box is intended for mementos, arts and crafts, or keepsakes, offering a cozy and sentimental way to store your cherished items. Primitives by Kathy is known for creating gifts that balance humor, warmth, and inspiration. This box fits perfectly within that tradition, providing a simple yet thoughtful way to express appreciation for a close friend. Whether used as a decorative piece or a functional storage box, it adds a touch of rustic charm to any space. The compact size and hinged lid make it convenient for frequent use, and the design's sentimental message adds a personal touch that resonates deeply. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, housewarmings, graduations, or just to say thank you to someone special in your life. Overall, the Primitives by Kathy Classic Hinged Wood Box stands out as a meaningful and stylish gift that celebrates friendship. Its charming design, thoughtful message, and practical size make it a wonderful keepsake that anyone would be happy to receive. If you're looking for a simple yet heartfelt way to show your appreciation for a best friend, this gift box is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.